This is a quick video of me installing a Remote Supervisor Adapter. As you see, it looked pretty much brand new. So yeah, just going to crack on with that. It plugs straight into the motherboard. So just going to install that. Obviously these have been in quite a while. What I'm going to do is I'm going to connect to the motherboard connector first. Okay, that's that installed. Obviously I'm using IBM OS2 Warp server, which apparently isn't supported with a Remote Supervisor Adapter, so I have to install something like Windows NT or Windows Server. Anyway, thank you for watching.